Yo, what is up guys? I am back at it again with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the one state RP mod or hack, whatever you guys want to call this. It has a bunch of crazy features and it's working for both iOS and Android devices. Now, one of the major features is unlimited coins. So yeah, this is absolutely insane and I'm going to go ahead and show you step by step exactly how to get this. Before I begin, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's go ahead and get right into it. Now once you're on your mobile device, make sure you already have One State RP already installed, and also make sure the game is completely updated. You can do that by going to the App Store or the Google Play Store. The next thing you want to do is go to your internet browser. I'm going to be using Google today, and we're going to go ahead and search for this website right here. It's going to be called injectapp and then .org. Once you go ahead and type it in, go ahead and click search and just go ahead and verify that you have spelled it correctly. There it is, and then we will click the search bar right here. Now we need to go ahead and type in one state, click done, and it will go ahead and show you the modded version right here, iOS and Android, One State RP. And yeah, there's literally going to be hundreds of different options, so do make sure you select the right one. Here it is, give that a click, and it's going to show you what device you're on. So I am on an iPhone today. This is what version I'm on, and then once you're ready, just go ahead and click the button and it will begin the installation process. This should only take like 20 to 30 seconds depending on your internet speed. So I'm going to go ahead and just let it load up. I actually uninstalled this like before I started this video, just to show you guys exactly like how to do it and everything. So yeah, it's going to take you to the app injection page. This will require you to install additional plugin files. Since we're not using a computer today, this is the only way to get the modded version. But don't worry, it's 100% free, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So we're going to start by clicking on the very first one, click tap to install, and it's going to give us instructions. So it says tap on search App Store, type in this word right here, install the app, and you're done. So let's go ahead and click the button right there, click open. And all you need to do now is just go ahead and type in that word that it wanted us to type in. So let's go ahead and go back. Okay, there it is. And we're just going to go ahead and type that in right now. Boom, click search. And that is the app that we're looking for. So just go ahead and click open now. And we just completed the first plugin file. So let's go ahead and close out now and go back to the web page. Alrighty, let's go ahead and do the second one now. So let's close out and click on the second one on the list. Tap to install. And this one, yeah, this one's very similar. So tap on search App Store, type in that word right there, and then install Scanner app. So let's go ahead and do that right here. Alrighty, there it is, document scanner. And yep, should show up at the very top. You just need to install it, open it, 100% free. And yet we are now done. So we can go ahead and close out and go back to our web browser one last time. Now it's going to check if you have installed the plugin files. You can see right there. Give it a few seconds and then you are done. You want to close out now, go back to your home screen. If you're on an Android device, you will see a pop-up saying it's trying to install it. But if you're on iOS like I am, you want to click on settings right here. And then you're going to see a new button that says profile downloaded. Give that a click. And it's going to go ahead and say it's trying to install the profile. Click install. If you have a password enabled, it's going to ask for your passcode. So let's go ahead and enter that right now. And all you need to do now is click install, close out, and boom, there it is right there, One State RP mod. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And until next time, see ya.